Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if data table has a specific column. Let's say I have this Excel file and I have lots of columns available here in this Excel sheet, and I want to check that do we have a specific column name available in this Excel or like in the data table. Do we have a state code available in this Excel? Not as a data. So if you want to check any special column name that you want to get, sometime like we are working on a project where first we need to check that a specific column already available in that Excel sheet or not, or in that data table or not. So currently we have 3 columns, this, and I want to see that a state code column available in our Excel sheet or not. So what will I do? I will take one Excel application scope and I will select that Excel file. So this is the sample file, Excel file. Let me select, and here we'll take one read range activity, and we are going to use this Excel, this one, read range. Enter the sheet name, which is raw data. We are going to read all the data available in this sheet. Store this in a data table, dt underscore sample data. So this is our data table. Now we have written this Excel sheet data in the data table. Now we are going to play with the data table directly. So we'll take here one if condition, just to check that column is available in our Excel column or not. So we'll write here data table dot columns dot contains open close bracket, and we'll write here this state code, copy and paste. Okay, so we'll see if this data table dot columns dot contains a state code. If yes, let me click on this. If yes, I want to show one message box that this column or like the specific column, the state code is available, right? Now if this is not available, then what? Then you can add one column as per your requirement. If you want to add, you want to remove. So before removing that column also, you can see if that state code available in your Excel sheet or not. If this is available, you can remove that. You can add a column with the state code name like that. Currently I am just showing you the example like how to check that, and then the action part you can take as per your requirement. And now I will write here this column is not available, right? Now we know that a state code is available in our Excel sheet. So we'll run and we should get this message. It means this column is available. Let me run this. So it says that this column is available, right? Now if I am going to write here anything like data column is available in this column or not. So it will just check only this columns, right? It will not check from the data. If I am going to write here Tim Langer, this is coming from the row data, not column, and let's see. So we should get else part, that this column is not available. So we are getting this column is not available because this is not the column name. We are just looking into this column name. Let me put now other name, let's say account number, and run this. So we'll be getting a message like this column name is available, right? Because this is the column name available as a column name, right, as in the header. So by this way we can check if data table or that Excel has specific column name available or not. So I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn Blue Prism, please visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/blueprismrpa. And also if you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy and you want to get certificate, you can search for my Blue Prism course there, that is Blue Prism RPA complete course. I will also put the link in my video description. You can go through there. Thank you.